Good morning, children. Welcome back to the computer class. As you all know, children, that Windows is an operating system. Without it, we cannot start a computer and we cannot work on it. Windows is a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. This is, children, Windows. It is a rectangular frame. As I have told you in the previous tutorial that these are our icons and this is your desktop. So children, when we switch on the desktop, Windows start automatically. The first screen that appear with labeled pictures on it is called desktop. So when we switch off the laptop from here, when we switch off the laptop from here, the first screen will appear with a label diagram, pictures on it. This is called your desktop. And what is this, children? These all are your icons. The icons are the small label pictures or symbols present on the desktop screen. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. So children, how to open these icons? You have to click on it, click on the icons. Then when you will click on the icons with the help of mouse, then it will open and it will display on the software display on your desktop screen. Next, children, this is your taskbar. It is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has the start button on the left side. Look here, children, this is the start button. The middle section of the bar shows button with a label for each open applications and allow us to quickly switch between them. This is a middle portion of the taskbar. And this is the right portion of the taskbar. This portion shows your clock. Now again I will explain you that about desktop. When we switch on a computer, Windows start automatically. The first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called desktop. What are icons? The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. This is your taskbar. It is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has a start button on the left side. The middle section of the bar shows button with a label for each open applications and allows us to quickly switch between them. Now next is, children, that the right side of the taskbar is known as the notification area, which includes a clock and icons that provide status and notifications about things like updates, network connections, etc. The Show Desktop button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. So click on this button to minimize all the open windows and view the desktop. Now in the book also I am showing it to you. Look here. This is your taskbar. This is your start button. This is your start button. And this is your notification area. And this is your middle section of the bar. It shows button with a label for each open applications and it allows us to quickly switch between them. Now next, children, next is the start button. How to open a start button? In the next tutorial, I will explain you how to open a start button. Thank you, children.